Sometimes we use what we call a matrix to organize data. And then when we have matrices, we can do things like we can compare the data, we can add the data, we can multiply things together. So first let's talk about what a matrix is. A matrix is denoted by these symbols here. Sometimes it is a bar like that. Okay, sometimes it's a bar like that, and sometimes it's curved. I like the bar, so I'm going to just redraw these for you. These are just bars. So you can see they're brackets. You can see what I'm doing there when I'm drawing them. Now, the size or dimension of a matrix is always the number of rows. So the number of rows. So we have rows, row 1, row 2, row 3. Row 1 goes across from left to right, row 2 and row 3. So the number of rows, that would be 3, by the number of columns. And the number of columns, in this case, is 2. So this would be a 3 by 2. We say 3 by 2 matrix. First number always stands for the number of rows, and the last number always stands for the number of columns. So the size of this next matrix, we have 2 rows and we have 3 columns. So this would be a 2 by 3 matrix. Now, what element is in row 2, column 2? That's what that means, row 2, column 2. So we're going to go over to row 2, that's this one. And we're going to look at column 2. So row 2, column 2 is this number right here. It's this number right here. So the element in row 2, column 2 is a 9. Okay, you try. Go ahead and give the size of this matrix and the element that it is in row 3, column 1. The element that is in row 3, column 1. Okay, I'm going to reveal the answer, so if you're still working on it, make sure you press pause. We've got 4 rows, so this is a 4 by 3 columns. So row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4, column 1, column 2, column 3. And the element in row 3, column 1 is -1.